The paging file is a file used to expand a computer's random access memory. Its name is pagefile.sys, and it is usually located on drive C. In Windows 10 there is one more paging file called swapfile.sys, which is used for applications from Windows Store. This file can be disabled in the same way as the ordinary paging file. Let us now have a look at one of the methods to change the paging file that you can use in Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 8. To do it, go to Control Panel and select its view as large icons. Now click on System, select Advanced System Settings, and in the tab Advanced, find Performance and click on Settings. In the tab Advanced, click on Change. By default, Windows sets the paging file size automatically. I recommend this setting to all device users who don't know why it can be changed and want to avoid possible problems in the future. In order to change the paging file size, uncheck this box, and this is what we can do now. First, set the size manually. For example, let us specify the paging file size as 2 GB. And click on Set to change this size. I recommend giving the same figure for both maximum size and initial size to avoid paging file fragmentation. Second, we can make a computer without a paging file. To do it, let's choose the option No Paging File and click on Set. You will see a window warning us of possible problems. Click on Yes and restart Windows so that the paging file disappears from drive C. In Windows 10, files pagefile.sys and swapfile.sys will disappear, but in Windows 7 and 8, only the file pagefile.sys. Third, we can move the paging file to another drive. To do it, let's disable the paging file on drive C and click on Set. After that, choose another drive, specify the paging file size, here and here, and finish by clicking Set. As you do it, click OK here and here, and restart the computer. Paging file settings will apply only after the computer restarts.